Hi guys, it's Maria here. Welcome back to my channel. This channel is about bags, lifestyle and fashion, but mostly bags. I post videos every Friday. I'm always on the hunt for the perfect bag. If you are like me, please subscribe, hit notification bell, and let's enjoy bags together. Today I'm going to do unboxing. I'm very excited because I haven't done unboxing on this channel for a while. Yes, I'm very excited about that. As you can see already from the title, it's going to be a Prada crystal triangle bag. I'm very excited, as I said, because I haven't seen this bag before. So it's going to be a proper unboxing. And there are different reasons why I feel so excited. First of all, because it's a Prada. I haven't had a Prada bag for a while. And secondly, because it's a crystal bag. I missed the hype of the re-edition crystal bag and then the Cleo satin crystal bag. So now I'm jumping into this wagon with a beautiful Prada crystal bag in triangle form. I'm going to talk about my first impressions. I will give a quick review. We will do what fit test. And also I will show you some mod shots, how this bag looks on me. So stay tuned. And without further ado, how we YouTubers say, let's move to the unboxing. I've ordered this bag from the fashion.com and it came in this beautiful signature Matches Fashion box. Oh la la. So we've got all the receipt and return information from the website. So we'll put that aside. Dum, bum, bum. Wow, what we've got inside. Oh, we've got pretty heavy Prada box. Wow, it is heavy, guys. It is really heavy. And I'm not sure, I'll probably find out that within the unboxing here, is it actually a box so heavy or the bag is heavy? I haven't seen the crystal bags and I don't know how heavy they are, so we're going to find out, and I'm actually going quickly weigh that for you as well. And I'm opening the box. Oh, up. We've got more tissue paper in there. That's just the tissue paper. Little cushions. That's a little cushion as well. And here we'll move into the actual bag. I hope so. Inside we have a dust bag. Signature satin Prada dust bag. Really nice, really tactile. I love it. With a little Prada label. More tissue paper and the beautiful light blue color. Wow, so much paper, but voila, what we've got here. Oh, the very pretty triangle bag with some crystals from Prada. Wow, it's sparkly, it's so shiny, it's beautiful, it's amazing. Yeah, I'm actually bedazzled. Seriously. Very excited about this bag. It's really pretty. Okay, I just weighed that for you and it's almost 500 grams, around 485 grams to be precise. It is slightly heavier than the regular Prada re-edition, which is very similar, also comes with a strap and all of that pouch. However, it feels alright. It doesn't feel too heavy, so I still blame the box for the weight of the actual packaging. If we're talking about the first impressions about this bag, first of all, obviously I have to say sparkles. They are amazing. They are almost blind you, but blind you in a good way. They blind you with excitement. Beautiful, amazing. Yeah, I'm lost for words here. It's very beautiful. Secondly, that pretty similar to my Prada re-edition 2005. It is. If it's going to be a deal breaker for not keeping this bag, I'm not sure yet. I'm going to observe this bag for a little bit longer just to make sure, do I want to keep it? Do I want to return that? I will definitely come back to you with my decision. Why the triangle form? So Prada this season introduced a beautiful triangle bags in the leather. The difference between this crystal version and the regular triangle bags, that they are deeper. So in this length and width dimension, they are absolutely the same. So here and here. However, the regular triangle bags by 2 inches, around 5 centimeters deeper. So I assume their capacity will be better than this one. By just a first observation, I could assume that the capacity of this bag is going to be very similar to my Prada Re-Edition 2005. What else do we have here? We have a silver hardware everywhere. Yep. We have a little pouch with a little crystals, very, very similar to the pouch from the Prada Re-Edition 2005. However, I actually got it ready for me. Here we go, got it. So if we compare them to, you can see that's pretty obvious that this one is a little bit longer but narrower, and that one is shorter but a little bit wider. What else do we have here? We have leather details on the strap, on the zip, on the actual pouch there, I believe. Yeah, but on the pouch zip here. And actually, and this is the quite a difference to Prada Re-Edition and this strap, that the pouch here doesn't have any little buckle or little strap to attach that to the wider strap. But in here, we have a little button to keep pouch closer to the strap. Really nice touch to the design. I think the designers, collect some feedback in regards to the previous straps and added on this little button over here. What else on the strap? It's removable, it's adjustable, massive clips over here, as you can see, and the buckles over there to change the length of the strap. And I love the idea, and that makes this bag very versatile and unisex, because it doesn't have any adjustable holes here to limit you with the length of the strap. You can go longer or shorter. We also have here Prada on the strap, same as on the strap for a regular Prada Re-Edition. We have a little Prada embossing. And I think it's time to look inside the actual bag. Yep, don't forget about the Prada emblem on the front. The whole idea of the triangle bags came from the Prada logo being a famous triangle. So okay, what do we have inside? More paper. We have some care instructions and some identification cards here. And inside, to be honest, there is no much. I'm not saying that I'm disappointed, but to be honest, I did expect a little zipped pocket or maybe like a card holder. Nah, nothing. As I can see, one big hole. I think they could add a little card holder pocket or a tiny zipped pocket in there, but on the other side, I think it works really well for the capacity, for overall capacity, to increase the space inside the bag. And also we have a Prada logo inside the bag too, says made in Italy. And if we look in the pouch, apart from the tissue paper, what do we have in there? We don't have much. Same as the regular pouch for the regular Prada Re-Edition, just a one tiny little hole, nothing else, and Prada logo with a made in Italy in here as well, and that's it. Overall, I think it's a very beautiful bag. As I already said, it's a little bit too similar to my Prada Re-Edition, and as I believe it might be a deal breaker for me to keep or to return this bag, but we will see. So the next one, we are moving to the what fits, and we're going to explore the capacity of this bag. You know, I'm a sucker for the small bags, but with a great capacity. Let's check it out. Before we actually move to the what fits test, I want to point out that despite the quite an awkward triangle shape, bag is perfectly sits on the table, so you can easily take that to the restaurant or see your friends, and that will sit perfectly like on a display. I was actually doubt that it would happen, but as you can see, it does. And now start filling the bag with my combo of essentials. And as always, we start with the phone. It's a iPhone Max Pro, quite large phone, 60 centimeters long. So we go with that one first. Then card holder, keys. I've got quite a chunky keys here. Lipstick, lip balm. What else do we have here? AirPods. It's probably us. Guys, that's it. I'm struggling a bit here, but no, everything got in. Ta-da! I was hoping to put the sunglasses there as well, but as you can see, no capacity there for the sunglasses, and pretty much everything is piled up there. The bag is full to the brim. Not the best capacity, I would say, for the small bag, however, pretty decent. Prada triangle crystal bag is missing one thing, which I really enjoy with my original re-edition bag, and this is this chain handle. What I'm going to do, when I was ordering this triangle bag, I was actually thinking about using this chain for this bag. So I'm going to try it out right now, if it's going to look good, if they're going to go well together. Oh, look at that, huh? Oh my gosh, that's totally transformed this little beauty from the sporty kind of bag. You know, it's a borderline because that is a wide strap, pretty unisex, and it gives a little bit of sporty vibes, casual vibes to the bag. But this totally transformed the bag into the tiny little evening thing. Oh my god, it's just amazing. I love it. I love it like this, and I'm glad that I actually was thinking about this chain. I'm very happy with this little arrangement, and it gives so much versatility to this bag without adding anything super extra or extra weight. Now I'm going to show you some watch shots how I am planning to wear this bag. I'm 5'3", 163 centimeters tall, and I wear usually size 10 UK. We obviously start with my favorite way, crossbody. We have a beautiful removable and adjustable wide strap here, which allows us to wear that a crossbody. You can also use a wide strap to wear this bag on your right or left shoulder, or remove the strap completely and wear the bag as a clutch. Very beautiful. If you're a clutch lady, that's a beautiful evening addition. And here, I would probably say a little bit downside of this bag that it's missing a chain. Luckily, I have my Prada re-edition 2005, one of my favorite bags. And I can add the chain from this bag to this beautiful triangle and use this bag as a beautiful night bag. And now you can wear that on your shoulder as a short shoulder bag, in your hands, or on the crook of your arm. I think this chain from the re-edition bag adds so much to this triangle crystal bag. And to be honest with you, probably if I didn't have that from this bag, that would be straight no to this bag, because it is missing that. Look at that, how much it adds to the actual bag. And at the end, I just want to say that I'm very happy with my purchase. It's a beautiful crystal bag. I don't have any crystal bags in my collection. They are very, very in fashion at the moment. As I said before, I missed that hype with a crystal re-edition 2000 bag, with a Cleo with the little crystals as well. And yeah, I think every girl should have a little crystal bag in her collection. Crystals are forever, almost like diamonds, you know. So I think we are not going to part our ways with this beautiful Prada triangle bag with the little crystals. I hope you enjoy this little unboxing video, guys, as much as I enjoy that. Oh my god, I am in love. If you did, please hit thumbs up, subscribe, and hit notification bell, and I will see you next time. Bye!